Hello, today we will guide you through how to get free shipping on Fashion Nova. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on spotting current promotions inside the Fashion Nova app and applying them correctly so you can unlock free shipping when it's available. Promotions change frequently, so what you see may vary, but the flow stays the same. Start by opening the Fashion Nova app and heading to the home screen or the main shopping feed. This is where Fashion Nova showcases time-sensitive deals. At the top of the page, look for a promotional banner. These banners often scroll, so give it a moment if you don't see one right away. You're looking for messaging that mentions free shipping or a percentage off discount, sometimes with a minimum purchase requirement or other terms noted. When you spot a relevant banner, tap it. This opens the full promo details. Take a second to read the fine print here. It may list eligible categories, order minimums, or any exclusions. If the promotion includes a code, you'll typically see it displayed clearly. Some free shipping offers auto-apply, while others require you to enter that code at checkout. From the promotion page or the feed, choose an item you want to purchase. Tap on a sample item to open its product page. Confirm size, color, and any other options, and make sure it's not marked as excluded from promos. When you're ready, tap Add to Bag. Next, open your bag by tapping View Bag. This shows everything you've selected along with a summary of prices and estimated totals. If you saw a promo code in the banner details, look for the field labeled promo code, discount code, or coupon. Enter the code exactly as shown, matching capitalization, numbers, and dashes, then apply it. Give the app a moment to refresh. You should see the discount appear in the order summary. For free shipping offers, look for shipping to update to free or to show a shipping discount line. If it doesn't apply, double-check that you've met any minimum spend, that your items are eligible, and that you're not stacking multiple codes. Most promotions allow only one code per order. Also note that some free shipping deals apply only to standard shipping, specific regions, or specific timeframes. Once you see the promotion reflected correctly in your bag, you're set. From here, you can proceed to checkout with confidence, knowing the free shippings or discount has been applied. If the banner disappears or changes, try refreshing the home page or checking back later, as Fashion Nova rotates deals throughout the day. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.